What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to unlock your academy so you can have access to all the academies and the telegrams. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is you want to come to this home screen on the app and you want to click that button there at the top right, start. Then you're going to be able to select your language. I'm going to go and select English. Then we're going to go ahead and select unlock your academy. Once you do that, you'll be able to scroll down and you'll see three different buttons: basic users, pro users, premium users. Okay, a lot of us have the pro users, so I'm gonna go ahead and click that one. But you're gonna select the package that you have. Okay, so then it's gonna bring you this form that you're gonna fill out. Go ahead and click start. It's gonna ask you what is your current subscription. I'm gonna click pro. Right, but again, you click your current subscription. Then you're gonna enter your email that you registered with. Right, so whatever email you signed up with, that's what you're gonna enter here, so I can verify for you. Then you're gonna go ahead and enter your phone number. It's very important that you enter your country code before your phone number, right? So in this case, if you're from the US, you want to put +1 before your number. Awesome. And then you're going to get that final message that says your information was sent successfully. Please return to the app. And so go ahead and close out your tabs, reopen the app, and you should have access to all the academies and the telegrams. So that's pretty much it. And I hope that helped you guys. And thank you guys for watching this video.